Recently the bitcoins have become very popular. People are in search of the ways to earn bitcoin online. While many know that the bitcoin faucets and the bitcoin BTC are some of the best bitcoin paying sources, there are sites which pay bitcoin for solving captchas. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about earn bitcoins by solving captchas on bitcoin paying captcha entry sites. Captcha solving is a type of data entry job helping the online services to automate their services. In this article, let us learn how to earn bitcoin online by solving captchas. Bitcoin captcha jobs. What is captcha? The captcha is a security program or API that prevent bots and suspicious program from entering the websites and applications. Previously, the image-to-text captcha was very familiar. Now, captchas are in different formats and easier for us to solve. 2 ways to earn bitcoins by doing captcha entry work. The first way is earning bitcoins by solving captchas for online services. In this method, the captcha entry sites pay bitcoin for helping the companies for automating their services. This is the commonly known captcha jobs. Once the member signs up, they will be asked to solve the captchas continuously. For each correctly solved captcha, the member will be paid instantly. The captcha rates will vary every hour based on the client's bidding and other factors. The captcha entry sites will pay 50 cents to $1.50 for solving 1,000 captchas. The members should continue to work until they reach the minimum payout threshold. Once they have minimum withdrawal balance, the members can request for payout. The captcha entry sites will have different payout method. The members can request them to pay Bitcoin. The balance will be converted to Bitcoin based on the market price and will be sent to the wallet. The second is earning Bitcoins by solving captchas on Bitcoin rewarding sites. If you want to specifically earn Bitcoin by solving captchas, you must go for this option. The Bitcoin rewarding sites pay the online users for visiting their page and solving captchas. Actually, this is not like the method mentioned above where we have to solve the captchas continuously and earn per captcha solve. In this type of solving captchas to earn bitcoins, we will be allowed to solve only once every few minutes. When we go to the website, we must solve the captcha to claim the bitcoin. The number of satoshis paid per claim will vary on each faucet. The claim pay will are randomized by the site owner. The member can withdraw the Bitcoin after reaching minimum payout. By working on a single rewarding site, we cannot earn more. There are 2 ways we can follow to earn more by solving captchas on Bitcoin rewarding sites. The first method is by working on number of Bitcoin sites at the same time. We must open up to 20 Bitcoin sites in 20 tabs and continuously claim Bitcoins in each site one by one. Arrange the Bitcoin site's open tab in the order of high to low revisit time so that you can claim Bitcoins on the sites with low revisit time as much as possible. Most of the sites would have a timer notification system which will automatically notify us after the revisit time. The second method is by referring more people to the sites. By this way, we can earn Bitcoin without solving captchas from the faucets. We will get the commission for the captchas solved by the referrals. This is the best method to generate passive income without investment. Try to refer as many users as possible and earn free bitcoins without working. Each site would have installed different captcha API to protect their system from the bots and members' misuse. The captchas are given below with the example. Different types of captchas used on the Bitcoin paying sites. 1. Solve media. The solve media is one of the most widely used captchas to protect the faucet system. To solve the solve media captcha, the users must type the letters given on the image in the text box. Once the captcha is solved, the Bitcoin will be instantly credited to the account. 2. Recaptcha. The recaptcha is the Google service. In the modern Bitcoin sites, the recaptchas are used widely, which is advanced and highly secure. No bots can solve this captcha, while the human can do it without any problem. To solve the captcha, the user must click on the square box given on the captcha. That's it, the captcha is solved and the bitcoins can be claimed. The recaptcha will continuously monitor the device for suspicious activity. In the case of too many requests, the recaptcha will begin to show the images to harden the process. The user must read the phrase, instruction given to solve the captcha to claim. 3. Image matching the word. This is the simplest captcha I've found on the Bitcoin sites. The image matching the word captcha. In this type of captcha, the word with few images will be given under it as shown in the picture. To solve the captcha, we must match the image to the word. Once solved, the Bitcoin can be claimed to the account instantly. 4. Math captcha. The math captcha is the rarest captcha that is found only on a certain Bitcoin faucet sites. The math captcha is similar to the image-to-text captcha, but the user has to solve the math problem before entering the text on the given text box. Some Bitcoin paying sites will have more than one type of captcha to extra protect their system from auto bots and spammers. Other types of captcha protection include anti-bot captcha, slide captcha, etc. There are still a lot of different captchas are available on the internet, but most of them are outdated and the sites are widely using the captchas shown above. The Bitcoin captcha work can also be done using the mobile phones. Now the sites have enabled the captcha work interface to help the Bitcoin users to earn using the smartphones. To earn Bitcoins by solving captchas, join the Bitcoin paying sites. Though you're going to earn very few Bitcoin on every claim, it is going to be big in the future if you save it without spending. The Bitcoin value is said to raise even to $1 million. So, in the future, if you have at least one Bitcoin, you will become a millionaire. Here is the list of Bitcoin paying sites. If you wish to learn more about Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrencies, feel free to visit our channel. Now it's time to hear from you, which hardware you are using to mine Bitcoins. How has your experience been? Did I miss any more super easy and effective captcha to earn Bitcoins? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.